you measure out to 1/4 of an inch. You put lint from your clothing so that it's not so hard to get back up the first time. Then you can put the stabilizer right at the 1/4 inch. You have your fabric. And since this is thick enough, even if you had batting in between, that's okay, because the stabilizer is thick enough that when you're sewing, it'll just guide you along. It's a very useful tool for to use as a seam guide. Also on the bottom of your ruler to use as a seam, as a T-square. Many different uses for the stabilizer. If you're cutting batting, you can, and it's very thick and plush, you can put 2 stabilizers, one on top of the other, and now you've got enough room that you can cut your batting, you can cut your square up your quilts. A lot of different uses for the stabilizer. And when you're not using it, you put the backing back on it. You will wear out the tape. Everybody at different times, because everybody does different things. But we do sell a 6-pack of adhesive tape. So when you do wear it out, you'll just peel this tape off and put another one on.